Hey, beautiful people. My name is Adam Colton, and you are here because you want to learn about ORB, the new Instagram targeting following software that's launching this Wednesday, September 8th, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Boom. And you're here because guess what? If you like what I have to say, if ORB, this is not like some crazy hard sell video like you got to buy ORB. You don't have to buy ORB. ORB might not even work for you. You might not even use Instagram. In fact, if you don't even use Instagram or don't want to use Instagram, don't even listen to me anymore. Unless you like my really cool hat, my shirt, and you just want to hear me talk, but this video will mean nothing to you. But if you're getting into Instagram, you're already on Instagram, this could be for you, okay? So if you like what I'm saying, link in the description, you can purchase ORB through me, no extra cost, okay? And you get five bonuses, okay? You could buy it through some other Joe Schmo. He's not gonna even have any bonuses for you. It's the same cost from him, for me to purchase ORB, or you purchase from me, and you get 5 bonuses, maybe, right? Think about it. Okay, so let's go into depth of what ORB is, okay? So anytime, someone's promoting a new software, does this, does that, it's like, well, I want to see the insides of it, right? It's like, I want to buy a car, but I'm just not going to buy it off of internet hype. I want to sit in it, look at it. So I'm going to show you ORB. This is inside the members area. You buy ORB, this is your dashboard. This is what you're going to get, okay? You're going to get a welcome from the people that created ORB. You're going to get the training overview and some case studies, okay, and some other bonus stuff as well. So what ORB does, it makes your life easier, okay? You can do everything the software ORB can do, but it can do it for you, and you can do other stuff because, as you know, time is crucial, and no one just likes clicking follow, message, So, example, you got to get creative here, okay? What business are you in? Okay, whatever business niche you're in, find other businesses that are similar to you, okay? The saying goes, if these people are into that business and I have the same business, they'll probably be into my business too, right? So we're gonna do an example like a t-shirt business, Monster Tees, because I make t-shirts too. If you like this shirt, you can check out a link in the description too. I sell these funky shirts, Mr. Monster Man, woo! So here's this t-shirt business. They have a lot of followers, right? So I could presume that these people might be into my tees. The artwork's semi-similar, abstract, monsters, kind of fun. Obviously, if this is some weird like ladies dress company, that's not going to be a good one to target because I'm not sure if someone wearing beautiful ladies dresses would be interested in this kind of tee. So it makes no sense to like follow them. But think about it. Target who you want to target that are similar to your business, okay? So then you're going to go to who they're following, and ORB is going to work in the background and is going to follow all these people. Follow. Now, it's not going to be a mass thing like, ooh, 33,000 people we're going to follow in 3, 2, 1, boom, done. That's bad. Instagram is going to be like, that sounds like a robot, some weird spammer. How did they follow 33,000 people in like 3 seconds? Sounds bad, right? No, ORB mimics human behavior. It's going to take its sweet little time and follow people like you would follow people, one by one by one. Now, if you buy the basic version, which is only $12.95, which is not that much money at all, it's like 3 cups of coffee at Starbucks, maybe 4 cups of coffee, $3 a cup, something like that. You get 50 follows a day and 50 messages a day. That's 5 and it's a 0, okay? That's still a lot. Over time, that adds up to a lot of people you're following and messaging, okay? That brings me to point number 2, what ORB does is the message feature. So we got the follow feature here and the message feature. So out of those people you followed on Monster Tees, ORB's going to follow them, and then it's going to send out a message, okay? You're going to have a dialog box here, and you're going to type in whatever you want to type. You can be like, hey, my name is Adam. I just opened up my own t-shirt company as well. Like, you might be interested in my artwork. Here's a 15% off coupon if interested. Boom. Something like that, but probably nicer and better than that. You'd be like, hey, my name's Adam. I smell. Boom. You probably wouldn't say that. Anyways, you get the point. You write your offer, your promotion. Maybe you want to like strike up a conversation first, just not go right into like sell, you know, like on a date. You know, you got to warm up the date. It's not like you see a nice girl and you're like, hey, you want to get married? You know, they're like, hey, I don't even know you yet. So maybe get to know these people, start up some conversation with them. Anyways, it allows you to follow and message, okay? Now you can do this all your own, like follow, message, copy, paste, message, copy, paste, or ORB does it for you, right? You just let it go for 50 people if you get the basic version. If you do the upsell, you get unlimited, okay? And then you just do your thing. Like I could be designing t-shirts, which I like to do, or stupid hats or funny saying mugs, and ORB's in the background following and sending messages to these people. That's the power of it, right? It's like you're in two places at once, right? So think about that. Now, I'm not going to say, you know, you go to the upsell and get unlimited messages and follows. You can do and send out 33 messages a day. That sounds bad too. Like do your own research. Like what's going to alert Instagram? Like how many should you do max in a day or whatever? ORB's already looking out for you though, because it's not going to just flick of a button, do them all at once. It's going to do them each individually, but still do your due diligence and see like how many a day is too many to do, you know? Now, it gets even better. So if you want, as an extra cost, which is not that much, you can get the hyper targeting. Okay, and what that does is it goes a step further. Okay, so we got the following, automatic following. We got the automatic messaging. Now we do the hyper targeting. And what this involves is going to a post, okay, that's getting a lot of engagement. These are what we call warm leads or hot leads, whatever you want to call them. They're actually like, it's easy to like a post, right? Boop, like, but actually to get on your keyword and type something out and put some thought into it maybe, that takes effort, that takes time. Call those warm leads, okay? So we're going to go into a post like this one. And all these people that commented on this post, ORB, with that hyper targeting thing, will follow all these people automatically. Okay, in this post, follow this person, follow this person. And then it will message those people too. So it will follow and message. And that's what they call the hyper targeting, because these people are just more interested in that because they're actually commenting, showing engagement. So we can do that as well, okay? Now, let me get a little drink of water here. So this, to make your decision even easier, if this even sounds interesting to you, does this sound interesting to you? To me it does, you know, but to make it even sweeter, they're offering a 30-day money-back guarantee, okay? So even if you get the software and you hate it, you're like, this is absolute garbage, it's not working, you can get your money back. And you're not even out that much money because the initial cost to get ORB, where you get 50 follows and 50 messages a day, is $12.95. And to get unlimited, it's just a little bit more. And to get the hyper targeting, it's just a little more. So you're not even going to be put out that much money. So, and you can get it all back if you hate it. So what it really comes down to, here's the sales page here. You know, do your due diligence. Look at the sales page. Know it's a sales page, right? And it's going to, you know, give you all the glamour, all the goods, right? But be confident that it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So even if you hate it, you get your money back. So might as well try it, right? Now you got to think, do I want to, you know, do this? So read through all this. It's got case studies here. It's got examples of people earning money, testimonials, okay? And if we go down to the bottom, talks about the creators. Let's see here. Let's see. I'm pretty sure, like I told you, it's not that much money. And it's a big sales page. So Yeah, it gives you all what these, and then you get bonuses through them too. So you get all their bonuses, and you're going to get my bonuses. Okay, yeah, $12.95. So look at that, 30-day money back guarantee. So what it comes down to is this. For me, I'm not sure if I would personally use it on my personal Instagram page, just because I'm like, I just feels a little too, not spammy for me, but just like a little too not personal, right? So I have a very personal connection with my Instagram folks, and I would just feel bad internally, just mass messaging them, treating them like chickens and cows, you know, and promoting my product. But for you, you might not give a crap. You might be like, whatever, dude, I'm all about, I want to make some money. Like, screw it. Like, they might be like, I might feel a little bad, but whatever. If I make a sale, I make a sale. That provides for my family. That provides for me. Easy. Okay? Or you find a balance. Maybe you don't do all of them. You just do a couple people with the software that helps you save some time, you know. But for my company page, which is about making money and you know, reaching more people, right? Because people could be stoked on this stuff and they don't even know about it. So if I can, you know, message them and tell them about it, they could be stoked, right? So to me, on my company page, I don't feel as bad just mass messaging people, falling, you know, no thought in it. So for me, that would probably be fine. But again, you can tailor this. Like, you don't have to just send out mass messages, right? You can tailor to how many people you want ORB to follow a day, a message, keep it more personal, or you can go all bore, tons of people. So anyways, here's a demo video of ORB in the works. It's not the most exciting video, but you can see the cursor move and how the interface looks up in Google Chrome and get an idea of what it can do for you. But again, for greater detail, in the ORB app that you're going to download and get with your purchase, it goes through step by step of all the steps. So further ado, here's the demo video.
Hey guys, welcome to ORB. ORB is one-click Insta automation tool which not only gets you a lot of followers but also DMs your offers straight to their inbox. This brings in a lot of visibility and sales. Let's see how it does.
Whoa, wasn't that just the most exciting demo video in the world? Probably blew your mind, didn't it? Well, there you go. Simple to use. You kind of get a gist of it, right? Now, if this all sounds good to you and you like the 30-day money back guarantee and you want to give it a shot and you think it can save you time, here's what I'm going to do for you. You can buy ORB through anyone's affiliate link, right? But if you buy it through my affiliate link, because you watched my video, you appreciated my video, maybe you like me, you're like, I'm going to help out Adam. He did a fun little video. You can buy it through my affiliate link, and I'm going to throw in 5 bonuses for you, okay? Here's the bonus page. We got 5. Bonus number 1, you're going to get a ClickBank Mastery tutorial, okay? Like a course on how to use ClickBank, very popular affiliate marketing platform. You're going to get traffic sources to use, 2 traffic sources to use to your advantage. Whatever you do, you can apply it to your offers, you can apply it to life. Maybe you don't even not interested in that, but it doesn't matter because it's free. Bonus number 3, you get an email case study, how to grow email list to 10K. Email lists are really big these days, so why not learn about it? Maybe you're already an expert, so you have no use for this, but maybe not. Bonus number 4 is Jono YouTube ads course. Jono Armstrong is a really successful affiliate marketer, and he has a short little YouTube ads course. Maybe you've been like, I want to learn YouTube ads. Boom. Maybe this will jumpstart you into that. And bonus number 5 is all of the vendor bonuses. So Orb is going to throw in their own bonuses, and you get all of my bonuses. Oh, someone just came to my door. It scared me. All right, so easy. If you like Orb, if you don't like it, no worries. Software's not for everyone, but if you like it, link in the description, buy it. You get all my bonuses. Remember, you got to buy it before the bonus countdown gets to 0. Okay, there's going to be a countdown on this bonus offer. And when it gets to 0, boom, here's the countdown right now, because Orb hasn't really launched yet. But when this countdown gets to 0, no more bonuses. So grab me before the bonuses go away. Let me know what you think. If you get Orb, write in the description, I like Orb. Nah, Orb's not that great. Or if you have any questions. Anyways, subscribe, like the video. I'm going to be doing more of these Warrior Plus product demo reviews in the future. So thank you very much. Adam Colton, signing out.